Signal Guy is not responsible for the misuse or the misinterpretation of the information contained in this video.
It's 10:15, and if this light turns red, I'll take that as a sign that I'm supposed to call you. But if the light stays green, then it just wasn't meant to be, and I'll just have to find someone that my heart can belong to. I want to use the brake and try to alter fate, but deep inside I know that it'd be wrong to. As I pass underneath, the lights are staying green, and I know for sure that what we had was sweet, but now it's over. I look back in the mirror, the street lights disappear, and casually the car behind us drifting toward the shore.
The problem with not wiring it there is that when the intersection goes into flash, that one will not lose power and the buttons will still be talking and placing calls. So we need to go to a source back there where if the intersection goes into flash, it kills the power to the controller and then to the CCU. It doesn't kill the power.
It's just not sending the signal out.
It kills the power to the load switches.
Yeah.
So automatically the CCU basically becomes inactive. But if we connect it here, then it'll be always with power. So bring that cable up here, move the config monitor over, and you see where that black, white, and green are connected, where they did that already. That's where you want to go, right there. So always look for that one that says controller AC.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
What is it? CTR?
Yes, CTR, AC positive.
Always look for that one, and you don't have to go up there right next to it. You can connect down there.
Okay, down where it's...
Yeah, where it splices to. Nice. That's a job well done right there. We rescue this bird's nest into something a little bit more logical, more presentable for our push button.
Whoa. This one is
Please be sure to consult the manual of uniform traffic control devices and compare it with your local authorities before attempting any of these practices. Thanks for watching.